Get ready to explore some of the most important emergency vehicles that help keep people safe every day. Each one has a special job. Let's begin.
This is an ambulance.
Ambulances help people who are hurt or very sick. When its lights flash and the siren sounds, cars move out of the way so they can get through. Inside are paramedics who help people feel safe and take them to the hospital. Ambulances are important because they help people get care fast and stay safe. This is a police car. Police cars helps police officers get to people who need help fast. When the lights flash and the siren sounds, cars move so it can hurry through traffic. Inside are officers who keep everyone safe. This is a fire truck. It carries firefighters to places where help is needed fast. When the lights flash and siren sounds, cars move so it can get through. Firefighters use the big hose and tall ladder to put out fires and keep people safe. This is a police drone. A police drone helps officers see from high in the sky. It can fly over traffic or big crowds to find people who need help. Police drones are important because they help keep everyone safe from above. This is a police motorcycle. A police motorcycle helps officers move quickly through traffic. It can reach places where cars can't go and respond fast to emergencies. Police motorcycles are important because they help keep the roads safe for everyone. This is a police helicopter. A police helicopter watches over the city from high above. It helps officers find missing people, follow suspects, and keep everyone safe. Its bright lights and camera can see what's happening even at night. This is a medical helicopter. A medical helicopter flies high above the city to help people who need care fast. It can land almost anywhere, pick someone up, and bring them to the hospital quickly so doctors can help right away. This is a police SWAT vehicle. A police SWAT vehicle is a strong, special truck that helps officers stay safe during big emergencies. It carries important tools and protects the team so they can help people quickly and keep everyone safe. This is a rescue boat. A rescue boat rushes across the water to help people who are stuck or need help fast. It can zoom over waves, reach someone in trouble, and bring them back to shore safely so rescuers can take care of them. This is an airport fire truck. An airport fire truck rushes out onto the runway to help keep airplanes and passengers safe. It carries lots of water and foam and can get to an emergency super fast, helping firefighters protect everyone at the airport.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to support our channel.